Hey, what's up, guys? I'm going to answer one question. Somebody asked, how do you answer them when they ask for the cost over email? So this happens a lot, and especially after video audits, they watch the video, they like it, boom, ask, how much does this cost? And the first thing is you don't want to give them the price over email, right? Like, you might as well not even, like, you might as well drop the sale. If you're going to give them the exact price of the service over email like that, it's because what that does is they don't know your service from a hole in the wall. They're just looking at the price, and then they're going to be comparing with other things they know in their world with the same price. It's just, you just don't even know what the hell they're comparing in their head at all. So you might as well just drop it. So this is what you do. You give them a range, right? So I go something like this. I go like, it's going to come down to something in the lines of $500 to $5,000 a month, right? Like a huge range. You can do it more tightly, $1,000 to $3,000 a month, whatever it is, but it's throw them a huge range, right? That way you're still answering the question. You're still giving them like a number, which is what they're looking for. But you're not being able to, give them a exact number. And that's what you have to justify next. Actually, that's what you do before, and then you give this range. So this is what the email looks like. Hey, so-and-so, the price is dependent on a few factors, such as the areas you're targeting, the competitors and what they're exactly, the types of actions they're taking in the marketplace to maintain their positions, and as well as what kind of, how do you word this? I forgot how I word this. The areas you're targeting, the competitors that are in the area, and what kind of actions they're taking to maintain their positions, and how many leads you guys are expecting to reach within the next couple of months, or how much work you guys are looking for within the next couple of months, something like that. I give those three things, and then I put like, having that said, the price is going to come down to something around $500 to $5,000 a month, depending on these factors. So, and then you invite them to an actual call. Let's get on a call to discuss these factors where I can give you a much more pinpoint price. That's it. And what that does is basically it shows them that there's something real like behind this, because a lot of times in our service, like not only them think it is, like one is they think they can't wrap their head around them being some kind of real justification, and then in reality there is a lot of times not any real justification, right? We see products all the time which is barely doing anything, but then they're still priced like a couple $1,000s a month. So so they have it's just you have to put some kind of basis around it. Areas you're targeting, that's real, right? Like that could dictate like if they need extra maps or whatever. Not even from our side, from their side, that's real because they know that's how that works, right? For them, a location is more real than us, right? We just look at it like, oh, population this size, search volume this. They look at it like they've been doing business here for years and what areas they want to target. Giving them an option between this and this area is very understanding if the price goes down to half or doubles when you give them another city, right? That's like one factor. What the competitors are doing, that's an interesting fact, right? So that's put some reality into the justification. Oh, okay, they'll be like, all right, so that makes, now it's kind of interesting to them. Like, okay, so it's by competitors what they're doing, which kind of makes sense, right? Essentially, it does make sense because for the cities we go for, we have to beat the competitors to get them really good results. And then the last part, areas you're targeting, what the competitors are doing, and then also like what kind of leads, what kind of expectation of leads, that they're looking to get, or how many jobs they're looking to do in the next couple of months. It's kind of like puts it where like, hey, look, the more you invest, the more you can, look to get out of it. So those three things, that's why I, have those three factors in place, just to give a little bit of a background. But yeah, so that's how I would answer it, right? I don't make it too long, but I give that, and then I give that answer, and then and that's it. I will say this though, people who do ask price right off the beginning like that, a lot of times are not like, in my experience, are not like the how do you say, like they're not looking at the product as a branding thing. they probably are looking at it as another like lead generation, which is fine. And all right, that's it, guys. We're gonna go.